Ranking Weird Animal Facts Part 11. Last one will shock you. Lobsters can taste with their feet. Tiny bristles on their legs detect flavors as they walk. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. They slow their heart rate and stay underwater for 40 minutes. Cockroaches can live for weeks without their head. They only die once dehydration sets in. Snails can sleep for years. Some species hibernate up to 3 years straight. Giraffes only sleep about 30 minutes a day. They take quick naps standing up to avoid predators. Subscribe for more exciting facts.